Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your social studies class. Okay. So, in today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started yesterday that is days of the week, right? So, we will talk about the days of the week. While how many days do we have in a week? Seven. Wonderful. Can you tell their names as well? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Wonderful. Okay, so we have 7 days. And in yesterday's class, we discussed about that what are the most busiest days in a week, right? What are the most relaxing days? Which is the favorite day of all of us, right? So most of us like the Saturday or either Sunday, and Elise was an exception because Elise liked Monday, right? Well, nobody else liked Mondays. Why? Because Mondays are very, very tough. After a long weekend, you don't want to work anymore. You don't want to go to the school, right? So you feel like sleepy. You feel like you want to have more rest. So that is why Mondays are not considered as the favorite days, but still Alize like it, and we appreciate that because Alize love going to school and Alize love meeting her friends as well. Okay, so now in today's class, what we'll be doing, I want all of you. So let's start with the reading of your book. I want all of you to please open your book, page number 41. There is nothing much about the reading, but there is something very interesting which these pictures are showing. Okay, let's first talk about the picture description. What a picture description is. Instead of writing over here about what this boy, the boy name is Peter, and he has made a chart which shows that what he do every evening in a week, right? Now these pictures are basically telling you about his whole activities, right? So the activities are not written in the form of words or in the sentences. There are he has made the pictures and you are supposed to guess through that. Look at the first picture. On Monday, he is doing his homework. He is writing something. On Tuesday evening, what he is doing, he is reading something, maybe a storybook or a novel. On sorry, yes, Monday. Then on Wednesday, he went to the playground for playing the football. On Thursday, he is again doing his homework. On Friday, he is watching television with his parents. Then on Saturday, he went for a ride on his bicycle, and on Sunday he is playing with his friends. Like this chart which is made by the Peter, you are supposed to make a chart for yourself. This is the class activity that we will be doing today. Is it interesting? Okay, so I want all of you to please open your notebooks. Hurry up. Okay, let's first before starting that, let's first watch this interesting video related to the days. And this is the this is an interesting song which tells us about how many days we have in a week. So I'm going to share the screen. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you. Is it, class? Okay, good.
There are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Woohoo! And there are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And there are 7 days in a week. Oopsie! We forgot the best one, which is the 7th day of the week. It's Sunday and it's a treat. We all love Sundays. There are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week.
Okay, so there are 7 days in a week, right? Okay, let's start practice the names of that, right? What are the spellings of it? So let's start with the first one. Who is going to tell me the spellings of the first one? What is the first day? It's Monday. M-O-N. D-A-Y day. Monday, right? Which is the next? Tuesday. Very good. So T-U-E-S, Tuesday, D-A-Y day. Tuesday. Let's look at the next one. It's, well, let's break it into three parts. Wednesday. It's the third day. Let's look at the next one. It's Thursday, right? Then we have the Friday. After that, we have Saturday. And finally, my favorite, that is, okay, let's write it over here. It's Sunday, fun day, 3 day, okay? So, open your notebooks, prepare the page, and write the names of days of the week. Hurry up. All of you are done. Okay, that's very good. Now I want you to make a chart like the Peter has made on her notebook. Like this, you are supposed to make a similar chart showing what are your activities during a week. Hurry up. Yes, you can color them. You can use any colors of your choice. You can make it interesting. Hurry up. Are you done, Sarah? Show it to me. Wonderful. See how beautiful Sarah has made. Okay. Yes, Elise. Are you done? Excellent work. Okay. Yes, Vase, but what about you? Still left? Okay, take your time. Abdullah, are you done? Show it to me. Very good. Okay, so all of you are done. That was all for today. What we have done, we have talked about the days of the week, right? And on every day, like the activities Peter has made, you also have made something. So when you are done with the chart, what is your home assignment? That you are supposed to write this on. Look at the Peter's chart and tell me on which day Peter watched TV and on which day Peter play football, right? So you are supposed to write the days in front of that. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice writing these names at your home as well and let me know if you have any confusion or any question. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.